Now students, see page number 9. The third significant reason why we need a constitution. So we need a constitution. Now there are so many reasons for that we need a constitution. So one of this one, which is we are reading now, is to save us from ourselves. Because of this reason we need a constitution. For what? To save us from ourselves. To save us from ourselves. This may sound strange. This may sound strange means to listen, to save us from ourselves. So we need a constitution. To read, to listen, this one may be strange for you. But how? We have to read this chapter and story also, given story. Now we can understand how our constitution saves us from ourselves. What is meant by this? What is meant by this means to save us from ourselves. What is meant by this is that we might at times feel strongly. Sometimes we feel strongly, we think very deeply about an issue, about one particular topic. We think very deeply, we feel very strongly about only one particular topic that might go against our larger interest. So we are thinking about only one topic, and if we take decisions on that particular topic, so maybe it will be harmful for other our whatever the future planning and about our future's large interest, what we want to do, for that may be harmful and dangerous. And the constitution helps us guard against this. So constitution, now our constitution helps to protect from such types of feelings and such type of thinking. Not only the thinking one particular person, the thinking of people also. Look at the storyboard. Now just you see this story, this one I am reading. Now we have to understand how the constitution is to save us from ourselves. The storyboard below to understand this better. Now just listen carefully. Shabnam is in a fix. She has a decision to make. Now Shabnam, one of student, now she has to take a decision what she has to do. She is in a fix means in a confusion. Now I have two chapters left to revise for tomorrow's test. But it's time for my favorite TV program. I am dying to watch it. I want to watch my favorite program. But I have to study also, because tomorrow is a test. But if I do that, I won't have time to finish my revision. If I watch TV, so I cannot revise properly. Now, here parents, Shabnam, why are you looking so worried? What you are thinking? Why you are so worried? Now here, just see. Shabnam says, I want to watch this TV program, but I have a test tomorrow. I want to watch TV program, my favorite program, but tomorrow is my test. If you all watch TV, I will also want to watch. If all you are watching TV, so I want also watch my TV favorite program. I have an idea. So I think, what if no one watches TV tonight? No one, okay? Everyone tries to avoid to watch TV. So what will happen? Then I may not be tempted. Tempted here, I will try to means control on my that particular thinking, strongly what I am feeling and thinking to for watching my favorite program. I can control and I can study. Just listen. It's a good thing. It's a good thing I did not watch TV. Now next day. Now she is giving test. There are so many questions from the last two chapters. Now good. Now how one feeling, one thinking now can be disturbed to her future also. So that our constitution also save us from ourselves. Now just listen this one carefully. Similarly, the constitution helps to protect us against certain decisions that we might take that could have an adverse means here harmful effect on the larger principles that the country believes in. So our constitution also helps to protect against the our whatever we are taking the decisions, and it will be harmful for the whole community, as well as for the country, as well as for the democracy also. So our constitutions protects from such a from such feelings and thinking, and we can say those who are taking decisions. For example, here we can see one of the example again, so we can understand clearly. For example, it is possible that many people who live in a democracy might come to strongly feel that party politics. Now, party politics means in our country there are so many parties. So they use dirty tricks. It's called the dirty politics. So many people strongly feel that party politics has become so acrimonious. Acrimonious means harsh, dangerous, that we need a strong dictators. So because of the dirty politics, so we can say our society and our we can say the country, it's not ruling properly. So we need one king or dictator to rule properly over our country. Some people, they can think like this. So said this right, if we are following their views, so what will happen? Swept by this emotion, they may not realize that in the long run, if okay, they are thinking like this, we need one of a dictator to rule properly, because in a democracy there are so many parties, and they are using the dirty tricks and politics. So we need a dictator. So they have to realize themselves, in a long run, if dictatorship is running, and if there is a dictator for a long period in any country, so what will happen? Dictatorial rule goes against all their interest. So after some years, so that dictator will we can say will go against the people's wish, against the people's interest. And we can read in history so many examples about the military rule as well as the dictators. A good constitution does not allow these whims. Here whims means desire, sudden desire. So such type of desires, such type of feelings, by the constitutions, such feelings can be controlled. Now, to change its basic structure, if such things, people they are thinking like this, so they can change the basic structure of our democracy. So constitution protects. It does not allow for the easy overthrow. Here overthrow means remove of provisions. Now constitution does not allow to remove the basic principles and the structures that guarantee rights of citizens and protect their freedom also. Now by the constitutions, the constitution provides guarantees for the citizens rights. Whatever we have, the rights, fundamental rights are protected and preserved also. Protect their freedom also, our freedoms, by the constitution. So we need constitutions. From the above discussion, you will understand that the constitution plays a very important role in democratic societies. So by these above paragraphs and stories, we can understand how the constitution play very important role in a democratic country as well as the societies. Now remaining paragraph in next clip. Thank you very much.